I.C.T. Lucy. Today I would like to show you the rotor machine factory. Let's go. So here you can see this is the offline type rotor machine. Here is the machine storage area. Here are inline rotor machine. This is inline rotor machine IR350, and this is the dust collector. There are also inline rotor machine. This is the material area. Material area. This is warehouse. This is offline rotor machine 5700 model. Here is the desktop rotor machine. Okay, that's all for the rotor machine factory. So thanks for your attention. See you next time. Bye.